Welcome to the third episode of Holy Home Foods. Today we are going to make garlic breads in 4 simple variations. We will now have a quick look at the ingredients. To make the garlic paste, we are going to make use of garlic cloves, butter, salt and coriander. For the toppings, we are making use of chopped paneer, capsicum, red paprika, jalapenos, black olives, onion, tomatoes and partially boiled sweet corn. To make the paste, we will now add 8 to 10 cloves of garlic. We will add 100 grams of butter. The butter is going to be at the room temperature. To this, we will add half a teaspoon of salt and the chopped coriander and grind it to a smooth paste. Mix it for about 2 minutes. Our garlic paste is now ready. We will now make the garlic breads. For making the 4 variations, we have taken 2 slices each and we will first apply the garlic paste to it on only one side of the slices. Apply the garlic paste to the edges of the slice. The garlic bread base is now ready. We will now start topping it. We are now going to grate cheese onto the first variation. Today we are using the Govardhan cheese which is available with us, but the best results you would get with Amul pizza cheese. Here we have made the garlic bread cheese ready, and for the remaining slices we have bottom cheese put across, then we will put up the toppings on that. We are making the second variation, a spicy one, which is with onion, capsicum, jalapenos and red paprika. The third one we are making with onion, tomatoes, capsicum and sweet corn. And the final one is an exotica with all the toppings available with us. Toppings have been done. We will now add top cheese and bake it. The OTG oven is set, and please make sure that you bake the garlic breads into the OTG for better results. We will now bake it in the OTG oven. The garlic breads are now done. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes to completely get done. Here are the yummy garlic breads ready. You can top it with an option of oregano flakes, and if you want to make it more spicy, you can add up the red chili flakes with the tomato ketchup, and I'm sure you are going to love it.